Hey everybody, today I am replacing the gearbox oil on my Toyota MR2 MK3. That's the filler right there. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so you need a 24mm socket and it goes onto the bottom of the gearbox just there. Okay, so to access the top of the gearbox oil reservoir, you need a 12mm socket, and that's where you're applying it. Then with some vice grips, hopefully we can twist the plug off. Okay, I got it. Check that out. As for gear oil, I'm using 75W90 and it is API GL4. This brand is just the cheapest one that I could find on eBay. And check out the color. Very different to what came out the other side. Now, the volumes of gear oil seem to be very unclear depending on your source. If you ask Google Gemini, it says 2 quarts, so 1.9 liters. If you ask Grok, it says 2.5 liters. Going to chat forums, I've seen anything from 1.7 to 2.1 liters. So the numbers tend to work out around about 1.9 to 2.1 liters is the average, depending on your exact model, whether it's 5-speed or 6-speed or LSD or not. So I would definitely recommend doing your own independent research on that. Me, I'm just going down the middle. I'm putting in 2.1 liters. Okay, just about to put the plug back in, and that's what it looks like now.